Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, and if you need to find where your headlights fuses are located, you have up to 5 of them. We'll demonstrate where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time. What's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. Where you can expect to find them. We will, guys, demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You will, guys, have multiple fuse boxes in that car. Today we'll work in just one, but we need to check up to 5 different fuses. You will need to open your hood. Once you open the hood, facing the engine on the right side under this cover here, if you remove it, you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, which fuse we need to check for the headlights. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way do not waste money and time. You can find parts and tools for practically any car. Now if we come here, we need to start checking 5 different fuses, guys. Okay, and one of them, starting here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You may have fuse number 14 depending on which headlight option you have, or you may not. Then you need to check fuse number, after that you need to check fuse number 30, 33 right here, 34, 35, and 36. These 4 fuses are headlight fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you, guys, for watching. See you next time.